Hello and welcome to part 5 of my Thunderbolt re-restoration. This is the final part. Today I will walk you through the final few things I did and run it off for the first time since completing the restoration. I think a good place to continue would be shortly before where we left off, the wiring. I didn't film myself wiring it up because I forgot to. Anyway, on to the next part, the rotator panels. The original side rotator panels are bent, and while this certainly isn't a problem functionality-wise, it did bother me a little bit. What I ended up doing is measuring one of the panels and creating blueprints for it and then having it made. I also had a new palette made because I didn't like the old wooden one. I apologize if it seems like I'm rushing through this. There really just isn't much more to see. Here are some final pictures before I put the horn on. Unfortunately, I did not film myself putting the horn on or putting the siren on the palette. But anyways, here's the first test since completing the re-restoration. Hello everyone, I have finally completed the re-restoration of my Thunderbolt. And now we're going to run it up for the first time ever since being completely re-restored. Start off with rotation. Here you go. Here we go. It works. All right. That's good. That concludes my Thunderbolt re-restoration. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this series. I'd also like to thank everyone who has helped me with this restoration in any way. You know who you are. Again, thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time.